parting lace. Look at the... Hey ding dongs. Okay, so I don't know anything about wigs, like at all, but I've always wanted short hair. Hey ding dongs, what is up? So thanks for tuning in. So basically this is just a video of me trying to see if I look good with short hair and me trying on a wig. And when I say trying on a wig, I mean failing at putting on a wig, because I don't think it could have went better if I knew what I was doing. But I do want to say that this wig, if I knew what I was doing, I would keep the wig. But I ended up returning it because I don't know what I'm doing. And so it would be nice if I would have just wore it with a hat, but I don't want to cut the lace off because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it. So that's what ended up happening. But this wig is super soft and it's a perfect match with my hair, I think. So do it when my hair is curly. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I don't even know how to put this on. Like, do you do it from the front? I do know that I want it from the side. Like, what? This is never gonna work for me because hey, it is a good match. My hair is the same color, right? Like, does it look real at all? No, I don't know, but I don't want to cut this lace off. I'm sure it needs plucking. But, so just let me guys know, like, in the comments below, have you guys ever tried on a wig? Or like, have you ever done like a major chop? Because I like how I look with the short hair. I do, but too scared to cut it off. Can I have short hair? No, this is dumb. I don't know. Would I be cool with short hair? I don't know. I feel like there should be like, this hair feels nice. I feel like there should be some kind of okay, I'm going to return this because it's a nice wig and I've never bought one before. Wait, I have. And I never wore it because I don't know how to style these things. I don't know how to style it. Like, I know there's a way, but I can't do it. So it could be for me, but I'm like, I can only do this when my hair is straight. It's a very nice unit. That's what people say. I can't. Alright guys, well, sorry there wasn't much in this, but I tried a wig. I tried. I always wanted to see what I would look like with short hair, and now I know. And I don't know, it would have to grow on me. Bye ding dongs.